Nearly 500,000 more homeowners asked to delay their mortgage payments in just the last week. So roughly 3.8 million homeowners are now in government or private forbearance plans. That's just over 7% of all mortgages, according to Black Knight. Now, that's $841 billion in unpaid principal and about 6% of all Fannie and Freddie loans and 10.5% of all FHA VA loans. Now, as for rent, 91.5% of renters in professionally managed buildings paid by April 26th, and that's compared with 95.5% during the same period last year, according to the National Multifamily Housing Counselor. Walker & Dunlop is one of the largest lenders to multifamily landlords, and its CEO says so far most are being proactive in helping their tenants with any hardship, so they have not come to him for help yet on their loans.
Quite honestly, it's a waiting game to see what May and June and July rent rolls look like as it relates to how many loans come to us for forbearance and then what defaults look like come September, October, November.
Now, there have been reports of increased searches on rental websites in just the last few weeks, which could be a brighter sign for the sector overall. Back to you guys.
Diana, how long are landlords or mortgage holding companies likely to extend this forbearance, and are states and localities getting involved here so that they are foreclosing on foreclosures?
No, so under the CARES Act, the government's mortgage bailout program, lenders can give forbearance for up to 1 year to borrowers, and then they have to get into repayment plans or mortgage modifications. As for renters, though, the eviction forbearance is only 90 days. So after 90 days from when the CARES Act went into effect, you can start evicting renters. And they're actually very upset about that. There was a call for a rent strike today by many groups across the nation. So mortgage holders are in a little better place right now than renters. But as for the landlords and those who need to pay those to bondholders, that's a bigger problem. There's no bailout for them yet.